What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KashDaKoolDad back again with another video. Yeah, you see it right here. This is my new canvas for the day. Let's give it a quick sky view walk around. Nice little infinity. We got the V8 in that joint because it's the 4.5, so it got the 4.5 liter V8 in there. You know, I'm showing y'all a little front walkthrough. How it look. My canvas for the day. About to get that ultimate cash package, man. I told y'all, I be telling y'all YouTube, and y'all don't be listening to me, man. They got bugs all right there. Y'all probably can't see it, but I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see it. But I be telling y'all YouTube, and y'all don't be listening to me. I be telling y'all I be having special guests, and y'all be like, Cash don't be having no special guests. These people not special, but they special to me. So here we go, another special guest. I need y'all to, you hear me? Show my dude some love. Bring it around fun. What is going on? That is. What you do, Fee?
You know, big time rapper, big rapper.
That is.
Told me all I really
Big
got
time rapper. Y'all heard
I'm
me,
out
boy.
y'all
Boy,
alone.
don't be playing no game, man. What songs you got out, man?
Lord, don't let me die in these streets.
200,000 on Apple Music. I got Pablo that just dropped that hit about
Oh, they know what that is. They,
100K.
if they follow me on my social media, they know I be running. I be moving packs like Pablo. They know what it is.
I got a whole bunch of stuff about to drop, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Came over here to get this ultimate cash package, man.
You know.
I seen it on the internet. I got the
Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you,
person,
man. You know, appreciate you. So, again, like I said, man, y'all see the bugs. When you ain't got that cash package, you get bugs. But when you got that cash package, you can come in and do this to the bugs. That shit, look at that. That's force, man. That shit, look at force. Y'all seen the video the other day, it was nails. That's force, though. But I'm gonna have that right. Like I said, YouTube, man, y'all see what it is. I'm about to go on and do that ultimate cash prep. You know, I'm about to go prep it right now. So, I mean, if y'all need me to show y'all again on how to actually do it step by step, leave that in the description. I mean, a comment down below, and I'll do it on the next call. But right now, I'm gonna just do that YouTube cut magic, and y'all gonna see it dirty, and then y'all gonna see it clean. And we're gonna come through with some in and outs in the beginning. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get, after everything done, I'm gonna get y'all some good B-roll, you know. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoy this, man. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube. So here it is. So that's the two customers. What y'all think? Go on, give it a walk around. We have the lights on the back. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Oh, she won't do the water test, YouTube, so we about to let her do the water test. Whatever you want to do it, I'm going to just make sure the camera be there to see you do it. We're going to bring the light so they can see it. Water test, go ahead. Do your thing. Look, it's already rolling off. It's already rolling off. Good. It's already rolling off. Yeah. That's good water, too, y'all.
I know, waste
But look, y'all see it. This, look at the beads. Y'all see it, man. Hey, man, if I ain't know no better, I'd say that shit look good.
That's your truck, Papa.
Oh, yeah, man. I ain't tripping. I can see you walking through the car. Yeah, YouTube. Another happy customer. Came, got that Kash Shine. They in good hands with Project. You know. Everything shining. Every part of the vehicle has to get it.